Right here, just so you can see it fly, okay? I'm gonna get ready to fly. Don't move, keep it still, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
Alright guys, another episode of the Ghost FPV. It's been a while, I think it's been 2 weeks about that. And today we are debuting the Banggod 3-inch. Come, let's take a look at the Banggod. Come with me. Oh, that was alright. That was alright, huh? It's not bad. That was alright. Look at that. It's the Banggod 3-inch. And I'm using the Tiny Tank VTX here up to 350. I pulled it off my 7-inch. I'm going to be rebuilding that with more power next time. But this is it. Try not to shake the camera so much, baby. You got to keep it still. People don't want to see shaky video. Okay? So that's pretty much it. And what you're going to see is here. I still have more power. I'm going to try to fly it again. Okay, hit stop. I'm just going to come right in front of the camera so you can see it. So that was the beta test of the Banggod 3-inch here, as I have, or Maiden as we call it. This thing rips. It's a distinct brother from its 5-inch. Hey, how the hell did you get in the frame? Okay. It's distinct just like the 5-inch here, and I noticed it was good. It's zippy, has great control. I don't know how they do this. I hear that they slightly put the back motors up higher. Now, these antennas are glued on there. It's just because I just wanted to maiden it real quick. I was anxious, I can't lie. It's got pink and blue props. Pink for my Zippy over there, blue for me. It flies. It's got the TBS stubby antenna at the side. I'm going to probably try to extend this antenna, get a longer one for better reception. And it's running on EMAX 1606 motors. Let's see, can I get that to focus right there? 1606 motors, can it focus? Maybe you could see that. I don't know, right there, maybe. Okay, so it didn't focus. But yeah, it's been what, 2 weeks since I made an episode. And oh, there's the guy from my building. How you doing, bud? Yeah. It's been 2 weeks since I made an episode, and you know, this is something free. I like to keep you guys entertained. I usually make my own builds. I'm not sponsored or anything. I'm not, you know, in the luxury of getting sponsored by anybody like, you know, what's that company, EMAX or somebody like that. I really like them. Or Mamba, you know, that has a really close name to my actual legal name. But yeah, either way. Okay, yeah, remember, she's whispering in my ear, you know, type in the comments, leave a comment or something, you know. Hopefully you learn something from some of these episodes here. Again, it's the Banggod 3-inch debut, running on the 1606 EMAX motors, and I've got the Foxeer camera on there. I basically stripped my 7-inch to get this done here because it wasn't flying and the motors burnt. They were really freaking hot on 2 of the motors. I'll figure that out later. That's a whole nother episode. But yeah, for now it's just chilling out here, and you guys are going to watch my Banggod flight. Hopefully you guys like it. Thumbs up, hit subscribe if you like it and you want to see more features or more of me. But beyond that, rip it. Ghost. On for watch out, let me circle around it. You go. There you go. Okay, here we are.
Back? Daddy, there's someone in the fridge.
What do you mean there's someone in the fridge?
There's someone in the fridge.
Oh God, what the hell are you guys doing in my fridge? Damn, this happened to Bardwell too. You guys really stick around till the end? Peace. Check out the next ghost video. Out.